BisonBrothers. Innovation drives everything we do. Our state-of-the-art production facility is where cutting-edge portable energy storage solutions are born. Automation ensures precision in every component, guaranteeing the highest quality. Each device undergoes rigorous testing to ensure safety, reliability, and unmatched performance. Our products are trusted by adventurers and professionals alike, delivering power when it's needed most. From outdoor adventures to emergency situations, Bison technology keeps you connected. Bison technology, powering your journey every step of the way.